Good morning, children. This is Ria Banerjee of GT Goenka Public School, Aurangabad, and today I have a very interesting topic for you, that is the determiners. And the topic that also we are focusing on the determiners is the articles. Yes, you are right. Articles means a, an, and the. So let's begin. As we all know that articles are divided into two parts, definite article and indefinite article. In the previous video also I have mentioned about the two parts of definite and indefinite articles. So let's begin. Let's look at here. A and an are the indefinite articles. They refer to something not specifically known to the person we are communicating with. And they also introduced someone or something who or which was not mentioned before. So let's look at the example. I saw an elephant in the morning. I buy a pen from a shop. There is a mouse in the room. So these are the examples. Now, quickly, let's look at when and where A is used. So A is used before a consonant, like a boy, a word, a BA. Such vowels that you have the sound of U. For example, a useful thing, a unit, a European, a university, etc. And with the sound O, when it sounds like wa, such as a 1 rupee note or one-eyed deer, etc. So now let's see when an is used. An is used before a vowel like an I, an idiot, an ox. The initial sound should always be a vowel. Next, it sits before a consonant which begins with a vowel sound, like an M-A, an honest boy. Look, while I'm pronouncing the word M, the first word that comes is A, and A is definitely a vowel. That's why an is used before pronouncing M-A. Same M-D. So an M-A and M-D. So now let's look at the other uses of A and an. A is used as a preposition in some sentences, like a hunting, a rupee, a month. Look at the examples. He went a hunting means he went on hunting. Potatoes sell at 1 kilo a rupee. I get 60 rupees a month. Now the next one, A is used in the sense of a certain, means a certain Mr. Bose came to see me. A or an is sometimes used before a noun to indicate a class. Like a child should obey its parents, an ant is an industrious creature. Here also, a or an is used just to indicate a particular class. Next, to refer to something for the first time. So, would you like a cup of coffee? I finally completed my paper. Now, next, to refer to a particular member of a group or a class, A is used. So, with names of professions, like John is a doctor, Mary is training to be a pilot. Next, definite article. So, definite articles are those articles which, or that article particularly, which points out something as a particular thing. Like the is called the definite article because it points out to some particular thing or person. The boy, the boy of whom we are speaking or who is known. Just like I saw the boy who was wearing a red hat. Next example. The definite article can be used before a singular or plural nouns, whether countable or uncountable. Now let's look at here. The is used before the first one, singular common nouns to represent a whole class, like the dog is a faithful animal or the cow eats grass. Nouns to point it a person or thing already known or already referred to, like you have previously described about it. So right now you are again describing about the same noun, the particular noun. Like I came into the garden, I went to the club, I don't like the fellow. With superlatives, the best, the worst, the most beautiful. With adjectives to indicate particular parts of things. Like he likes the yellow of an egg. He entered into the thick of the forest. Now, the is sometimes used before a noun to give it the force of a superlative, like he's the singer of the day. Like he is the Shakespeare of our class, or he is the Einstein of our class. So, in that way, you are giving the force like a superlative. Well, so we can say that that's all for today. I have already included about the omission of articles and repetition of the articles in the study material. So thank you. In the next videos, there will be continuation for the determiners. Bye bye.